Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Satrio Wibowo Caksono from class 11 Science 2. Now I will show my explanation text and the animation. My explanation text is about respiration system. Okay, let's see, enjoy. Respiratory system is in charge of supplying the body with the oxygen. Nature is filled with many versions of respiratory system. Diffusion, gills, screen-breathing, spiraceous, and of course, lungs. The system are all adapted to different environments and modes to living. Respiratory system has many functions, as you might expect. First of all, the respiration system doesn't just supply the body with the fresh oxygen, just as you might exchange something old for something new. Your body takes in oxygen while also expelling a waste product produced by the cells. Carbon dioxide is called gas exchange. The respiratory system also makes it possible for us to speak and smell. These functions are carried out by the different parts of the respiratory system. The nose or nasal cavity, the pharynx, the larynx, the trachea, the bronchi, and the lungs. So how the respiratory system works? Everything begins with the brain, mainly the medulla oblongata. Since that the body needs more oxygen and sends signal to the respiratory system to inhale. In this effort, the muscles and the bones associated with the respiratory system leap into action. Muscles pull and pass the lungs, making them expand and contract. Breathing rules and on an important principle. Pressure difference, the difference between the pressure inside the lungs and that of the outer environment, dictates whether air will flow into the lungs or out of them. Meaning that the air from outside will make its way into the lungs. The air will enter through the nose, the main opening the respiratory system. Now, the air will make its way from the nose and move down to the pharynx and larynx, and into the trachea. The trachea is a long tube supported by C-shaped cartilage, rings, and smooth muscle. Through the different passageway of the bronchs and air travel into the lungs. This keeps happening until the passage ends in the massive series of the small rooms. The alveoli are where the exchange of gases take place. The air feel such sort of like balance. They are in contact with the capillary, which bring in oxygen, pore, and carbon dioxide rich blood to the lungs. The exchange gas in the alveoli takes place on the principle of partial pressure. Particle pressure, a gas, exerts when it is a mixture. So if there is a mixture of the three gases in a jar, its gas will exert its own pressure in the jar. In the alveoli, the particle pressure of the oxygen is high, where in the blood vessel the particle pressure of the oxygen is low. As a result, oxygen will move from the alveoli, where it has high particle pressure, into the blood vessel. From here, now the oxygen-rich blood will make its way to the rest of the body to supply the cells with oxygen, to expel the carbon dioxide. The lungs even have their own bodyguard, immune cells called macrophages, which protect the lungs in case any pathogens means to infiltrate the lungs.